So over here, as you can see that like I have selected a Google Sheet, and I'm trying to get the row, and I have the same ID. I'm doing it by the ID. So here's the ID. I have copied it from here to here. You can see that IJ and is ending with ZJ. So if I go back over here, you can say the IJ ZJ. So this is the same thing, but I'm trying to read the sheet. It is saying that like bad request, please check your parameter, like this operating is not supported by this document. In order to fix that, what you have to do is like you can go to the Google Sheet, and the error is happening because you uploaded the Google Sheet. So in order to take care of that error, what you have to do is like you have to go to set up files and then save as at Google Sheets. Once you save it as Google Sheets, and here over here you can see that now this has given you the another ID, so you need to copy that one, and I have copied the ID. Let me put it back there, and let me try to see if it is opening. Though yeah, the file is working, and now if I do, now you can see I am able to select it. Thank you.